We're here with my guy. He's rocking the Blank Knights. Looking fresh today. How you feel about Blank Knights? Dude's left speechless. Let me show you guys why we left him speechless. We're at the Blank Knights facility today. Let me show you the good stuff right here. We have a 50,000 square foot facility, guys. This is just one of many that we have. We got everything you need, from hoodies to sweatsuits to track pants to hats. Everything that you can even think of, beanie, literally everything that you can think of, we got it. And a little teaser for you guys, December 1st, we got the 450 GSM sweatsuits dropping. This is gonna break the internet. We're giving them to you guys for an insane price. You're just gonna have to wait and see. If you wanna get high quality apparel shipped to you in just a couple business days, right here in the US, instead of going overseas, waiting months and having to hit your minimums, just click the link below, check it out, join the family. Over 50,000 people have shopped with us, and you could be next. Just click the link below, check it out.